Shalom. First and foremost, Ka Halayim La Yahweh Ba Hashem Yahushai Ba Hashem Kwakadash. That was awesome, impossible, great, most to our parents, that teacher, that they were Shalom, Kohen Shalom. To speak them, crunch be all they doing for Babylon, So this will be Isaiah 13, 1 second says, Howl ye, for the day of Yahushai is at hand. It shall cover its lot. That's destruction from Almighty. So meaning that for Yahushai, it's for me, meaning for Yahushai returns. It's going to be laying waste to this place, but destruction. Slock. There shall their hands be faint. Every man's heart shall melt. So it's time to return Babylon. So the hearts of men shall melt and feel because the doom was so great, Slock you. And they shall be afraid. Pegs and sorrow shall take hold of them. They shall be pain. Slock, they shall be in pain as a woman that travaileth. God, Slock, please that will be Isaiah 47 and 3, because we know that right now for Slock 47 verse 3, for part where it says, I'll take vengeance on this man. The Slock read from the king, though, it says, that he should be uncovered. Yea, that she should be seen. I'll take vengeance on this man. Meaning for when Yahushua returns, he's not come back to meet you as a man. He's come back to meet you. It's the extra meaning, He's going to utterly lay waste his kingdom to his wicked ass place, Just for the which is after which is past, Pretty sure that would be Slock, Pretty sure that would be 1 Thessalonians 5 and 2. Slock compared to me though. This place is straight wicked, Place is not, it's not a place for us, man, So it says in social rising part, This place not our rest, This place, it'll corrupt you and your soul, So Slock is gonna be Thessalonians 5 and 3 Slock. It says for one they should seek peace and safety. That's when church cometh, that shall rely upon a woman with child. There shall be no escape. There is no escape from the Most High. Yahushai, that's for sure. It is terrible things coming. It's a terrible thing. It has the Lord, it's terrible things coming. It has Yahushai, because that's very that, because that Yahushai will just straight terrorize your soul, That's why it says, but ye men are not in darkness, that ye men are not in darkness, that this day shall overtake you as a thief, because we know we're watching, because right now we're watching, right now if you're guys on the news, I don't know what you're doing, Slock, it says, because right now we're watching, because right now we're watching for Yahushua, We're out here warning people, to get ready to die, Slock you. It says, ye are children of the light, and the children of the day. We are not in the night. It's like Slock, we are not of the night, nor of darkness. Darkness is speak die until you sleep, There's not to know that they're considered there is to not know what type of living, you know, they're considered there is to be a complete nigga, you know, not to be aware of the times he's living right now, you know. We see we're not this man, you know, we see right now we're watching, you know. That's why we come out here, we can make our own Palestine, time for America, you know. We watch the news sometimes, you know. You see, we stay intelligent and work do, you know. Slack, you know. Yeah, that's what the point, you know. It says, let be, slack. Therefore, let us not sleep as others do. So that's two-thirds. Ancient Israel do, you know, let's not sleep, you know. So right now we're living in times of death and judgment to two-thirds, and the rest of Yawahah, you know. The rest for those who sign Christ, we can wake out, you know. Stalk you. Therefore let us not sleep as do others, but let us watch and be sober. You know, to be sober is to be vigilant, you know, to be on the watch, you know, to be awake and be aware of times you're living, you know. Slack you. That's to be separate, you know. That's just to separate yourself from all wickedness, this kingdom, you know. That's for you to understand that this truth is all we have, you know. This truth is all we have, it's all we know, you know. Slack you, you know, so be for they that sleep at night, and they that drink, and they that are drunken at night. You know, they're saying those fucking 2/3 of people, they're dumb and destroyed for lack of knowledge, you know. Because they call things Jeebus, you know, not upon the true name of Yahweh, you know. They stand for witness. They change life darkness and darkness for light, you know, because they say that what we're doing now is evil, because we're calling down to the downfall of the kingdom, you know, it's Babylon 2.0, you know. You know, that's what I came to show, come and show, but you know, it's not, you know, see what Slack was saying was be diligent and work, you know. Always putting back the verses, you know, putting back the Slack in for stuff. So it says, but let us who are in the day be sober, put on the breastplate of faith and love, and the helmet of salvation. Slack and for an helmet that hope. Slack, but let us. So verse 8 says, of 5 verse Slack, verse 5 and 8 says, but let us Slack, who are of the day, be sober, put on breastplate of faith and love, for the helmet of hope and salvation. For Howl have anointed us to us rather be obedient to salvation by our Yahweh Mashiach, our Yahweh Slack. Says Slakia. So verse 9 says, for Yahweh have anointed us to wrath, but to obedience. Slack, wrath, but to be obedient salvation by our Yahushua, by our Yahweh, by our Yahushua Mashiach, you know. By our Yahushua Mashiach, you know. So we are to be obedient to death, you know. That's all I can Shalom, come at Shalom. My fault, but death to this nation Israel. Come at Shalom. Once again, I can rise in part. 7 verse 10. All salvations, you know. Grammar people, Shalom, commercial.